Hey guys, welcome back to the gosh dang fishing channel known as Zigzag Outdoors. It's Nate again, and today we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to fish for sunfish and bass, both, and we're going to see if we can catch at least 3 species of fish today. Today we're going to try to catch at least 2 different types of perch, or sunfish as some people call them, and we're going to also try to catch 2 different types of bass. It just depends on how it goes. Hopefully we can get it done. We're trying for 3 species today, and we're going to use, of course, my beautiful Fenwick rod and micro spin rod, and then my little cousin's rod, which is camouflage, and it's called an H2O Express. So hopefully we can get her done, because that's the main goal of today, is just more species than we normally catch, more than just largemouths. So let's see if we can get this done real quick. We've got 2 hours to fish, and let's see if we can make it happen. Okay guys, first bait of the day, the Guggen bait, Kraken Craw, black and blue. We're gonna see if we can't hook one with our first cast here. These Kraken Craws really do have as much motion, I think, as you can ever get out of a lure. With slow retrieves, of course. There's a lot of sunfish out in here right now, so I think we're going to try to catch one. Oh my gosh, there's a gar. Look at this gar. You guys see him? There's a great big gar right here. 4-footer. He really wants that Guggen bait right there, I'm telling you. That was an insane find. That's a really nice bass right underneath us. Look at that fish. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my gosh. There are 4-pounders all over the place here. They don't want the Kraken Craw, what the heck? We'll come back and see if we can finesse one here in a little bit. With a worm. Crazy. I really didn't think I would see gar today. I have no idea exactly how to catch these things. A little bass. That one is just a little itty bitty largemouth. We're gonna start letting them go gently here. There we go. Okay. Now, we've got one species in the boat. One type of bass. Let's see what else we can hook here, guys. know what we're gonna do. We're gonna have to tie this little purple leech on a different rod here after a little bit. But for now, let's just keep going with bass, see if we can't catch 3 species of bass. Would be cool. They're in here. We got Guadalupe bass, of course, in Guadalupe River, largemouth, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, we have spotted bass, and I know we have smallmouth. Not many smallmouth, but we have some. Okay, let's put a different Gary motto worm on here real quick. Actually, let's go with Guggen bait. Guggen baits are like my favorite thing in the world, right next to Gary Yamato's. Save that for some perch, some little bluegills and things. There's a bass. Guggen bait bass. No, that's a little Guadalupe too. Dang it. Leave it in the comments below if you guys think that fish counted. It was close. It was close to the boat, but it didn't quite make it in. Okay, let's see if we can hook a good sized bass up against this vegetation here real quick. I'm excited for tomorrow, guys. We're gonna see if we can't hook up with a good sized bass down below the dam, which is a place I have never fished. Gave a little too much skip, I guess. Here's a bass. That was a weird catch. I don't know if you guys saw that, but this little guy was swimming right at me the entire time. See you later, little dude. And actually, that I don't think hurts the fish. You might be a little bit stunned by that, but not much. Okay, guys, right here, there's got to be a bass in here too. What's up? Oh, just Guggen baits. No, I'm just using the, which ones are these? They're the Slim Shake worms. It's a nice little 2-pounder. Yeah, it's basically a normal worm, but they have quite a bit more action. I'm gonna throw this guy back. Hey y'all, that's fish number 4. Wasn't videoing, I was talking with some guys out here on the river.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a huge favor if you did. Smash that like button. Leave a comment in the box below if you guys had something going on that you thought was cool or interesting or what wasn't. That way I can try to work off of your guys' comments and make better videos, hopefully. Also, do me another huge favor and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. I need help getting 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That's my biggest goal. And also 4,000 watch hours, which means close to 20,000 hours of work. So, we're going to see if we can make that happen by the end of 2019. Do me a huge favor. Like I said, just subscribe, share this with your friends. You know, let's try to make this YouTube channel at least close to the size of what Lunkers TV is. That would be the best. So, I love you guys. Peace out. And we'll see you guys on the water tomorrow.